Replacement mount. Lost or damaged your TomTom Rider GPS mount but still have the RAM mount? Save money and get your hands on one of our original manufactured TomTom Rider replacement mounts. Easy handling. Docking and undocking your TomTom Rider GPS navigation device is quick and effortless, with the TomTom GPS navigation device mount kit. Charges while you ride. The TomTom Motorcycle GPS navigation device mount kit keeps you powered up throughout your entire journey. Buy the kit you need. This TomTom Motorcycle GPS navigation device mount kit comes with battery cable included. RAM mount and bracket are not included. Need a RAM mount too? Purchase our inclusive mount kit. Use with 12 volts or 24 volts bike batteries. The TomTom Motorcycle GPS navigation device mount kit is designed to get the most charging power from both. Original TomTom manufactured accessory compatible with Rider 550, 550ths, 450 420ths, 410 400ths, 42 41sts. Top review from the United States. Fits 2008 TomTom RAM mount. Wanted to be able to mount a 2018 TomTom Rider Sat Nav to a 2008 TomTom RAM kit for motorcycles. This does the trick.